Hello, as you can see, I am not here today. This video is to explain to you the tasks that you must complete today. So, as always, you can find all of today's resources on day 6 of today's digital agenda. At the top of the digital agenda, I have included a link to our ebook. So our objective is I will be able to select text evidence thoughtfully to support my claims and provide reasoning that explains how that evidence supports my claims. The guiding question for today is, how similar is our society to the society described in The Giver? So your due now is to watch this video. You need to also make sure you have out another notes on your handout. So you will be taking notes at the top of your handout from the video over cell paragraph structure. There are 3 different parts that you have to fill out. After you complete that, you will take a check for understanding to make sure that you understood the requirements for the cell L paragraph. You can find it under whole class under CFU. So it looks like this. It says, do you understand the requirements for your first cell L paragraph? Please make sure that you review the questions and answer them, and check your answers after you've submitted to clear up any misunderstandings you may have had. After you complete the check for understanding, you're going to transition into independent station, which is to write a cell L paragraph in which you compare and contrast our society with the society depicted in The Giver. By the end of class today, you must complete a claim that compares 2 aspects of our society, The Giver, such as laws, attitudes, practices, systems, or beliefs, and 2 pieces of evidence from The Giver that support the differences or similarities you stated in your claim. You will write your cell L paragraph directly on your handout where it says Independent A. Notice that it says you should finish your links for homework. If you run out of space, you should use an extra sheet of paper, or you may attach a Post-it. You should write neatly, however, as this will be turned in for a grade. After you complete your claim and 2 pieces of evidence, you'll move to Independent Station B. For Independent Station B, you'll watch a video to learn how to use quotation marks, and then you'll take notes on your handout under Independent Station B. When you get to Independent Station B, you need to raise your hand so the substitute can pass out the handout to you. You should not move forward to Independent Station B unless you've already completed your claim and your 2 pieces of evidence for your cell L paragraph. So there are 5 different sections for you to take notes, watch the video, and fill in the blanks. If you're confused, you can rewind the video and watch it again. After you watch the video, you should reach at least 80 points on each of these skills. The first skill is formatting quotations and dialogue. When you open the link to IXL, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are logged in. So you can log in the top right-hand corner and press sign in. If you do not know your password, you need to raise your hand and ask the substitute so they can provide you with your password. When you're completing IXL, you should make sure that you're fully reading each question, and that if you submit and you miss the question, that you're reading the answer explanation. This is how you learn from your mistakes. Do not just click through IXL. You should reach at least 80 points to receive credit on this skill. If you're having trouble, you can watch this video to review the quotation marks. At the end of completed today. So the closure looks like this. You need to make sure you complete all of this honestly and accurately. Please remember that I can check everything that you've done on your computer and see what you did anyway, so there is no point in lying. You do have homework this evening, which is to finish your cell L paragraph by writing the links. We will review and edit the links on Monday and Tuesday. Please remember that the links should explain how text evidence you chose supports your claims. They should not simply repeat information from the claim or the evidence.